Welcome to all. Today we are going to see G3 laptop for gaming laptop. What people are many people they are looking on gaming purpose and animation who are doing the YouTubers. We need best laptop. What we need? We think at least processor i7 at ninth generation or 10th generation, and RAM is more than 16 GB or more than 32 GB. They need RAM, good memory, and storage SSD or drive. Like that expectation is for when you coming to budget, you are looking the budget gaming laptop is the best choice you can use for Dell G3 laptop. Because why I am suggested G3 laptop? Because the design view, everything it's like a gaming purpose only they design the laptop. And what is there especially for gaming laptop, which is the laptop is best laptop we can say for G3. Because why? For is a minimum budget, you can look on the graphics, discrete graphics. The graphics is two types. Is a one graphics, it's like a shared memory graphics. Shared memory graphics, it's not be look more efficient in the video and make animation movies or editing purpose. Nothing will be get quality. That purpose only we are suggested for discrete graphics. It's a dedicated graphics. It's like a memory separate on the video memory. That it will be utilize the more graphics and efficient performance. That is only this laptop, especially G3 laptop, they made discrete graphics and 6 GB graphics memory and NVIDIA GTX 1660 model and DDR5 6 GB graphics. Now only for GTX they are using or NVIDIA discrete graphics only is there, not like that. Because this laptop lot of special things are there. One is if you look on the exact hot air, it's coming for ventilation of the looking on the air cooling. Is they used for thermal cooling fan, and it's a lot of things are small things also they design purposely. They design the gaming purpose. We'll see make unboxing for G3 laptop. See, it's like a racing car. When you are playing with racing car games, it's look like the design also like that. See here, normally normal laptop, all our commercial laptop or home series laptop, it's like a fan is it's come from backside. It's a cooling fan. They designed differently think and differently they made this product. The ventilation of the air cooling, thermal cooling, they made left corner and right corner. Because of cooling, it should be come from the straight direction. If you come to back side, if you are put in the table also, the exact hot air it not be reaching the proper air circulation. That is purposely they made in the centralized air cooling system. And because when they are using the word from gaming laptop, that is purposely they made the outer layer of the laptop fully fiber and thickness fiber, and not be metal but thickness fiber. It's not be get much damage. If you are make on scratch also, it not maybe non-scratchable fiber they used. And the outer layer it's a blue coat. You can see the blue coat for the gaming purpose. In the touch of the each and every port also they used on the blue coats. And it's like a backside the ventilations also they made, and one of blue layer they appeared. It's like a pad, rubber pad, because non-scratchable, and it's if you are making on backside or in the table, it's look like a design look. And other than you can see here, wow, the look of the keyboard, it will be in the each and every key they made of lighting effect also. It's i7 9th generation 9750H processor they are using. It's a core processor, is 6-core processor. It's more efficient of the turbo boost of processor performance you can get. Other than is a gaming shifting things are there, and we'll see how is performance of 4K videos. And you can do for dual microphone and webcam. See the backlighting of the keyboard. Normally the gaming laptop they should be designed for gaming purpose in the keyboard also. Each and every key they made of the lighting effect. If you are doing any work from dark room, you can see the all keys vision from the lighting. This laptop, how much RAM will be upgrade? If you have any question, make a comments also in my YouTube channel. This is upgrade is possible. It's 2 socket they are giving. It's a DDR4 RAM. The RAM is frequency is 2666 megahertz RAM. 2 socket means you can upgrade 32 GB RAM supported. This RAM is supported in this laptop. Because some laptop, if you are seeing the socket will be 1 socket available, and you should be search from buying the RAM also is 1 slot RAM. This is a laptop they giving the 2 socket. That means you can upgrade 16 GB and 32 GB RAM upgrade is possible. And SSD hard disk 1 terabyte, and if you are a normal hard drive also 2 hard drive you can configure for in this laptop. What are the extra ports are available, we can see for that. See, the class C USB-C port is available, and HDMI port, and USB LAN port, and headset, and SD card reader, 2 USB port, and locking system. This G3 is 15 inches laptop. But when we come to see the task manager, the performance level, see the task manager itself, you can get all laptop. When you are going to buy any laptop, you should know the specification. First you are suggested to buy any laptop and brand. See, Dell is, it's like a original spare parts assembler. Because Dell always using Intel product, Intel motherboard, Intel processor, and RAM also they are manufacturer own, and hard disk is it's like a Seagate or Western Digital only. They are always professional laptop for the Dell. See, when you are using the any laptop, you can go to any shopping mall. First you have to see the performance button in the task manager. Then you will get the information whether you can upgrade his RAM is possible or not. You can get from here. Sometime when they are buying very compact, some of people they are looking very compact laptop, but not possible to upgrade. See, for i7 9750 is a turbo boost processor, 2.6 gigahertz. Now is utilized, and speed is it's like a turbo means it's like a difference of speed it will be assigned from the processor. This is of core is 6 core processor, logical processor is 12, the virtualization is enabled, and L2 L3 cache 1.5 MB for L1, and L3 is 12 MB cache memories. It's a RAM, and when you go from the memory slot, you can see here itself slot is used 2, but it's like a 8 GB they used, that's why it is coming 16 GB. When I was buying single slot RAM 16 GB, I can upgrade up to 32 GB. This is for the Toshiba SSD hard drive in new version 512 GB. SSD also 2-3 version is there. This one is a signed version NVMe RAM for the SSD hard drive. It's a solid state hard drive. This NVMe means is for the virtualized memory SSD hard drive, and Ethernet, and is a Intel UHD graphics from the motherboard also. Graphics support is there, and discrete graphics also there. It's a 2 graphics are available. Let's see, we can see one 4K videos. How is the quality of G3 gaming laptop? And battery, it's 6 hours battery backup. It's a 4K UHD display. It's like a full HD IPS display system. Okay, thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe our channel, and every regular videos you can watch from our notifications. This kind of laptop is very good for utilize for the graphics purpose and making animation movies, and whatever YouTubers, many videos they will shoot from outside, vloggers, many people they can use. It's look like a budget gaming laptop. So my suggestion is best for a budget gaming laptop for Dell G3, and performance also very good, and you can utilize the performance. Thank you for watching our videos.